Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aarti Ahuja, your life and entrepreneur coach, and you're watching my show, Hustlers Life. Today's video is for anyone who wants to learn how to make an effective pitch. Now, what is pitch? A pitch is a story of your product and company. But before you do that, remember who you are pitching to. 1. Investors, from where you're going to get your investment. 2. Early adopters to use your services. Or 3. Partners to take your company to a next level. Your audience has likely heard many similar pitches to yours. So give them something new to focus on, so that they remember you and understand why you are different. Remember to practice your pitch and say it confidently, as it shows your belief in your business. Today I'm going to discuss 10 steps to make your pitch effective. Number 1, start with a small greeting and then followed by a tagline. The tagline should be short and sweet. Your tagline needs to be catchy, grab the attention of the audience. Like Coca-Cola uses the tagline, taste the feeling. Or Levi's uses, quality never goes out of style. The language of the pitch you use should be effective and powerful. Number 2, continue your pitch by telling what problem your business idea is going to solve. Create a story to evoke emotions. Make the audience feel the pain. Make them realize how big the problem is. Always try to support the problem with facts and data. Try a storytelling format which will help the audience absorb the seriousness of the problem. Now, once your audience relates to the problem and the pain attached to it, you have created an interest in your pitch. Number 3, next describe a solution to the problem. Now, not only the quality of problem that you're solving should be high, but also the solution you're providing needs to be the best. Understanding how to identify problems that are worth solving is the key skill. As you can see in the graph, we need to reach to a valuable idea and not an average idea. Number 4, if possible, add visuals to show how your product or service look like. Present your pitch with a pitch deck. Now, what is a pitch deck? It's a PowerPoint presentation which aids to make your pitch look even more powerful. One of the single most important aspect of an effective pitch deck is to organize it based on the audience and forum to which it is being presented. So remember your target audience. Number 5, you're definitely not the first one to think about this idea, or in future, anybody can replicate your idea. So describe your differentiator, that is your USP, your unique selling proposition. That's why your solution needs to be the best for the target market. A strong USP clearly articulates a specific benefit, one that other competitors don't offer. That makes you stand out. A USP thus gives you a competitive edge, which differentiates your product from the rest. Number 6, explain your business model to show how solid plan to generate revenue you have. 7 is traction. Next, explain what you should have achieved so far and how you have plans to grow. This will establish your trust with the audience that your business is scalable and has a potential growth. Now, once you have convinced them that your business idea is solving a genuine problem and you have the best solution and your business also has a vision to grow, then is the time to introduce your team. And that's point number 8. People who surround themselves with a solid team will definitely work towards success. So it's very important to have a right team. Number 9 is CTA, that's call to action, that's must to end your pitch. So if you're making a pitch to the investor, make sure you're asking for genuine investment, depending on the maturity and valuation of your business. CTA helps potential clients and customer know what to do next if they're interested in your offer. Last, wrap your pitch well and end with a thank you note. To wrap up, it's very important that you wrap up with a bang. You can go back to your opening anecdote or an idea. Even you can end with a challenge. Use a dramatic close or try to close with a story. So these are the 10 powerful steps to make an effective pitch. I hope you like this video. For more such interesting content, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching Hustlers Life. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless.